Now we will do maths. In the last period we had completed chapter number 8, shapes, space and pattern. Now we are going to start another interesting chapter that you like also and you know about it also, that is chapter number 10, time. We make short journeys like traveling to school or long journeys for fun or to meet relatives in faraway places. For all these journey, time is very important. We need to be able to read the time to know the length of a journey or when we have to leave the house to catch a bus, train or plane. कई बार हम जर्नी यानी कि ट्रैवलिंग करते यानी कि आउट ऑफ स्टेशन जाते हैं, जामनगर से बाहर जाते, तो कई बार जामनगर से नज़दीक में ही जाते हैं और जामनगर से बाहर भी जाते, तो उसके लिए टाइम बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होता है, क्योंकि हमें कहाँ पर जाना है और उसके लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा, तो वो हम लेंथ ऑफ जर्नी मतलब नज़दीक में जाते हैं तो बहुत जल्दी पहुंच जाएंगे और अगर दूर जाना है तो हमें कितना टाइम लगेगा, तो उसके लिए हमें क्या लेना है, बस से जा सकते हैं, ट्रेन से जा सकते हैं, या तो बहुत ही जल्दी पहुंचना है तो हम प्लेन भी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं। तो उस मीन्स ऑल ओवर वी हैव टू डिपेंड ऑन टाइम, मतलब कि टाइम बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही हम कुछ डिसाइड कर सकते हैं। सो नाउ वी विल सी इन दिस चैप्टर टू सी द क्लॉक। घड़ी देखना अब तो शायद आप लोगों को आ गया होगा, क्योंकि यही हमने लास्ट स्टैंडर्ड में भी, सेकेंड स्टैंडर्ड में भी किया था। सो वो ही अब हम उसी में थोड़ा आगे और सीखेंगे। नाउ इन दिस ऑन दिस पेज you can see the clock, or in the clock there are two hands. This is hour hand and this is minute hand, that all of you know that. Short hand, that is hour hand, and long hand, that is minute hand. So now 6 minutes make 1 hour. ये जो लॉन्ग हैंड है वो पूरा सर्कल घूम के 12 बजे से शुरू करके पूरा घूम के वापस 12 बजे तक आता है, तो उसमें 60 मिनट्स होते हैं और 60 मिनट्स इज इक्वल्स टू 1 आवर. So what time is it in this clock? It is 8 o'clock. The same way ये जो मिनट आवर है वो 12 बजे से लेके 6 बजे तक आता है, तो मतलब कि हाफ ऑफ द क्लॉक, हाफ ऑफ द टाइम, इट मीन्स हाफ पास्ट, उसके लिए हम बोलेंगे हाफ पास्ट. सो हियर इट इज 8 o'clock एंड हाफ ऑफ द क्लॉक, दैट इज the minute hand is on 6, so we can say half past 8. And remember that if half past is there, the hour hand is between two numbers. It will not be on the particular number, but it will be between two numbers. Here you have to write the time, what is there on this clock. यहाँ पर घड़ी में क्या क्या टाइम लिखे हैं वो आपको नीचे लिखना है. Here it is 7 o'clock. What is this? This is 11:30, or we can say half past 11, because the minute hand is on 6. And here it is 1 o'clock. What is it? 1 o'clock. Here you have to write 1.00, and below that you have to write 1 o'clock. Here you will write 11:30. So, and here you will write half past 11. Like this, here also you can, what is the time? This is 6:30. So here you will write 6:30, and below that you will write half past 6. Now we will go to the next page. Reading time to quarter past and quarter to the hour. Now here you can see that 7 o'clock is there in this clock. Here in the next clock, see, after 12 to 1 means 5 minutes, 1 to 2 means 5 minutes, and 2 to 3 means 5 minutes. So in this the time passes 15 minutes. That's why it is written 7:15. Here is given Ankita reaches the bus stop at 7 every morning. अंकिता 7 बजे बस स्टॉप पे पहुंचती है. The minute hand is on 12 and hour is hand on 7. So here this is 7 o'clock. Then afterward वहां से बस आगे चलती है और बस arrives by the time the minute hand reaches 3. It travel quarter or 1/4 वे अराउंड द क्लॉक. मतलब कि वो 15 मिनट आगे घड़ी चलती है. सो नाउ दिस इज 7:15. द टाइम इज नाउ 15 मिनट्स पास्ट 7 और 7:15. वी कैन से 7:15 और 15 minutes past 7. You can remember like this 7:15. We also read these as quarter past 7. इसको हम क्वार्टर पास्ट 7 भी बोल सकते हैं, जैसे कि हम हिंदी में उसको बोलते हैं 7:15 बजे. The bus picks up her friend Shabnam at 7:30 when the minute hand reaches 6 and has traveled halfway round the clock. अब राउंड द क्लॉक में ये पूरा मतलब आधा सर्कल यहाँ पर कंप्लीट हुआ है. सो वी कैन से हाफ वे राउंड द क्लॉक. सो हियर यहाँ से यहाँ तक 12 से लेके 3 तक 15 मिनट्स है. अगेन 3 to 6 उसमें भी 15 मिनट्स है. सो द टाइम विल बी 7:30. वी कैन से हाफ पास्ट 7. Afterwards, Ankita reaches school by the time and minute hand reaches 9. It has traveled 3/4 or 3/4 way round the clock. See now see, here is the minute hand is on 9. So 6 to 9 again 15 minutes. So we will write 7:45 because on 6 that is 30 minutes and 15 minutes more. So 7:45. We can say quarter to 8 because 8 बजने में 15 मिनट बाकी है. So that is why we will say quarter to 8. Now see here two timings are given here. Read and write the time in two ways. Here it is. What is the time? The time is, can you say this? This is 2:50. We can say 2:50. Okay. And here 4:45. Sorry, 3:45 is there. 3:45 is there. So like this you have to write the time below this clock. Now on the next page we will see telling time to 5 minutes correctness. Now here we can see Vinod is at the airport. He is going on a holiday to Bengaluru to visit his grandparents. The flight takes off at to visit his grandparents. The flight takes off at 4:25 in the evening. How would we show this time on a clock? So first of all, what we have to do? The minute hand is on 4. So here we will put minute hand. Sorry, hour hand we will put on 4 and 25 we have to show. So how will we know that where will be the 25 minutes? So we have to start from 12. 12 to 1 5 minutes, 1 to 2 10 minutes, 2 to 3 15 minutes. Like this you can count, and 25 it will come on 5. So like this you can draw hour end on 4 and sorry, minute, hour hand on 4 and minute hand is on 5. So like this you can draw here, and now here complete this yourself. Count in fives, ring the clock that shows the time that Vinod's flight will take off. और इसमें आपको टाइम लिखना है और कौन से टाइम पे विनोद की फ्लाइट जाएगी, वो जो टाइम इसमें अगर आपको करते हो तो उस वो क्लॉक पे आपको सर्कल करना है. उसकी फ्लाइट का टाइम क्या है? 4:25. So here you have to write all the timings, and wherever 4:25 is there you have to circle on it. Okay, so I hope all of you understood. And now here you have to complete the following table. Minute hand is on 1, then 5 minutes passed. Minute hand is on 2, then 10 minutes passed. Minute hand is on 3, then 15 minutes will pass. Minute hand is on 4, then 20 minutes will pass. Like this you have to add 5 on each number, so you can complete this table. Now we will go to the next page. Telling the time before and after. This is the time that Nidhi boards the train. She will reach her destination after 1 hour. When will she reach her destination? Time now 8:15. Time after 1 hour 8:15 plus 1 hour 9:15. See, now what is the time now? अभी कितने बजे हैं? 7:15, 8, quarter past 8, 8:15, and after 1 hour what will be the time? 8:15 plus 1 hour 9:15. Now this is the time now. What is the time? 9:45. Sharik boarded the train 2 hours ago. At what time did Sharik board the train? So time now 9:45. Okay. Time 2 hours ago. 2 hours ago means we have to minus 2 from the hour. So 9:45 minus 2 hours is equals to 7:45. We have to do minus 9 minus 7 because 9 and 7 are hours and 45 are minutes. So we have to minus 9 minus 2. So answer will be 7:45. So Shamim boarded the train at 7:45. उसकी 9:45 की ट्रेन है पर वो 2 घंटे जल्दी जाता है, तो उसके लिए 9:45 minus 2 hours is equals to 7:45. Now, I hope all of you understood in this time. It is very easy and we had done this in last period, last year also. So I hope all of you understood about this. And here in this you have to draw arms, matlab you have to draw minute and second, minute and hour hand in these two watches. So you try to do it by yourself, and I know that all of you can do this. But remember that whenever you are drawing a hour hand, you have to draw it little bit short. And whenever you are drawing minute hand, you have to draw it little bit longer. आपको पता है कि आवर हैंड छोटा होता है और मिनट हैंड बड़ा होता है. सो वेन एवर यू आर ड्रॉइंग, डोंट ड्रॉ बोथ द सेम. दोनों हैंड्स सेम नहीं ड्रॉ करना है. शॉर्ट हैंड और लॉन्ग हैंड अलग से दिखना चाहिए. सो लाइक दिस यू कैन ड्रॉ इट हियर, and I hope all of you understood this. And afterwards you have to do the exercise 10A in your homework. Okay, and I think all of you can do this homework by yourself. So after watching this video you have to do the homework that is given on page number 178, exercise 10A. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.